Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
What's so pro about the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2? Let's take a look. Now you can see more with our new head-to-toe video, so you'll never miss what's on your porch. Hear more with HD audio that delivers our cleanest sound yet.
Come on, Callie, we're going now. Hey, girl!
Hi, I'll be right down.
Can't make it to your phone? Let Alexa do the talking.
Delivered for John.
Please leave the package behind the railing.
And no more with Bird's Eye View, so you're aware if someone's there and where they've been.
Hello?
Hi, cable guy. You're right. I'm not.
The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 works with your other Ring devices and beyond for the most seamless experience out there. If someone's at the door,
Hi, can you let us in?
you can let them in.
Nope, I'm out.
If your lights sense motion, you'll know who's there. If your alarm is triggered, your doorbell starts recording automatically. And you can control it all from one convenient place, the Ring app. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. It's smart security made simple.
Setting up a traditional security camera is not easy. The worst part is you have to charge the battery every 3 months. The battery always runs out of juice when you need it most. Introducing iCube, solar-powered security camera. Thanks to solar technology and energy-saving technology, iCube will keep on working forever without needing to be charged. No worries about the sunset or rainy days, or even snowy days. iCube has 3000 mAh battery built in. You can put it on your backyard or baby room, even pet room. With a 10-meter infrared detection system and notify you of any activity, through the application you can share video footage to family or friends and play back recordings. And it's very important to keep safe outside. iCube allowing you to recharge your phone or another device like Osmo or your Bluetooth speaker. Now we need your help to take this product to market. Back us today.
Get to know the Vivint Outdoor Camera Pro. It's the only smart home camera that can intelligently and automatically deter a threat, ensuring that a lurker knows they've been spotted. And it's so smart, it knows the difference between people passing by and actual threats, only notifying you of the moments that matter.
Can I help you?
Plus, you'll get live and recorded HD video from anywhere, even when zoomed in, making it easier to see important details like faces or license.
Meet the new Mi Home Security Camera 360. Your smart solution for a worry-free home. You can set it up and connect to it in a jiffy, and right away get a beautiful 360-degree panoramic view. No matter where you are, you can now check your home in full 1080p HD. And with its infrared night vision, you can see better, even in the dark. Its built-in AI-enhanced motion detection system recognizes movements and notifies you instantly. And using its two-way voice feature,
Rohan?
you can communicate effortlessly.
Sorry, ma'am.
And thanks to its high-quality compression,
Wow, they look great.
The 2K Full HD resolution and 130 degrees field of view ensure full details to be captured. A Shure B1 can be powered by rechargeable batteries or simply by the sun. Connect up to 4 wireless cameras to one base station. The IP65 weather resistance camera can withstand different weather. It lets you see in full color at night. The spotlight scares the intruders off. And the smart siren keeps you updated when detecting the motion. The PR sensor helps recognize human figures.
Your parcel, please.
Leave it by the door, please. Hi, Alexa. Turn on camera 1.
A Shure B1 also works with Alexa. Save recorded videos to a memory card or securely store it in the cloud. Ask your family to join for watching together. Assure B1 is ready to ship. Why not come and grab